Okay, as requested, Libra. This is a Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of January. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Libra? Bakit masyadong hinihingi ang mga reading ng Libra? Anong problema? Okay. Okay. Libra. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of January. Okay, tingnan natin kung anong energy meron para sa mga Libra this January. Okay. Love, career, money. Let's see. Announce ko lang din, ongoing pa rin ang sale amount results from the regular price of 2,500. 1,999 na lang. Okay? And lahat ng crystals natin, high quality, blessed, cleansed, and ritualized by the enlightened guide. Okay. The Devil card in reverse. Meron ditong like toxicity sa relationship. Okay? This could be like bad habits, bisyo, babae, lalaki, third party, ego, anything na harmful and in excess. Okay? Sobra-sobrang pagiging possessive, sobra-sobrang you feel like parang na-obsess ka na dun sa person mo, sobra-sobrang bisyo, sobra-sobrang pag-entertain ng ibang energies other than, your relationship. Okay? Hindi pa tapos ang toxicity sa connection ng mga Libra na nagdadala ng heartbreak. Walang plano to make this stable, okay? And you're looking forward to yung mas fruitful, mas healthy na situation for you. If nasa relationship na, it was like nagkaroon ng mga challenges because may mga na-involve na ibang energies dito na hindi naman dapat kasali, partnership dalawa lang. Hindi madami. Okay? So, meron dapat stable connection but hindi matatag yung plano or this is not founded on strong ground kaya medyo shaky. But right now, Libra, you're hoping na magkaroon ng better situation in the future. There's a Queen of Pentacles here na ino-offera ng reconnection, reconciliation, but it feels like sarado ang puso ng feminine for now sa reconnection at rebuilding ang relationship na to. May planong pag-uusap tungkol sa isang reconnection, reconciliation, and someone wants to heal the situation. Gustong maging maayos ang connection na to. Someone wants to detach sa feeling of like malungkot. Someone wants to parang ayusin, i-clear na yung energy kasi mabigat. Which is, I agree with that. Lalo na, papasok ang 2025. So, ideally, dapat, yung mga kayang ayusin, yung pwede pang i-fix, ayusin. Okay? This is the energy of like tanggapin yung mga bagay na tanggapin, i-release yung mga bagay na mabigat, mga resentment and everything na hindi naman healthy para sa, sa future energy or future plans na you're trying to build. There is like, sabi ng masculine, very controlling yung masculine, but nagbabalanse siya kung paano niya makukuha yung wish fulfillment niya. There's a feeling of defeat here and backstabbing energy, may betrayal energy na nagdadala ng sobrang like disappointment, sleepless nights. Someone wants to take a leap of faith in this connection but hindi alam, magte-take a leap of faith ba to give this connection another chance or taking a leap of faith, but this is more about taking a leap of faith somewhere else because someone is letting this connection go already. You might be dealing with an Aries, Aqua, Capricorn, Taurus. Let's see. Let's see kung anong meron pang chismis para sa mga Libra. Chismis tayo muna. Okay? Chismis para sa Pasko. Alright. So, the reason for the reading is nagkaroon naman ng offer about this long-term commitment, kung may mga involved na bata, long-term plans. Woo! Someone feels invested na maging okay itong relationship na to. Or, someone feels invested na this time ayusin na ang long-term connection na to. This may involve long-term plans, bata, kasal, mga pangako na long-term. Okay? Libra, recent past, I feel maraming burden, responsibilities, mga iniisip mo. You feel overwhelmed. Sabi mo, hindi na matapos-tapos, no? Yung mga issues sa buhay-buhay, no? Artista yan, daming issue. Alright, so, meron kang like prayers and manifestations for the Libra, na sana yung masculine energy dito ay magkaroon na ng sense of responsibility at maging mas aware na siya on how to handle this relationship because may immaturity sa end ng masculine. Okay? Yung mga Libra nagiging patient dun sa transformation ng masculine na to. Okay? So right now, I feel, Libra, meron kang situation na right now na sabi mo is mahirap to walk away from. You feel tied sa connection na to. You feel tied. But sabi mo, sige, may mga i-build ka rin naman sa connection na to. May mga aayusin ka. Okay? But, whatever you're trying to build, I feel may dishonesty pa rin between you and your person. Because kung ano man yung mga love offer, hindi ko nakikitang totoo. Hindi ko nakikitang mag-move forward until the end of first quarter. Someone feels tied sa certain situation. Kaya may blockage to move forward. At may lies. May isang taong nahihirapang maging honest about a love offer na gusto niyang i-build. Because nakatali pa siya sa isang connection. Or nakatali siya sa isang promise, nakatali siya sa isang commitment. Okay? At meron siyang binibigyan ng pangako na alam niyang maaaring hindi niya matupad because he feels attached sa isa pang commitment. Okay? Your person's energy, the masculine is holding the sword of truth in reverse. So, meron mga omissions sa story. Little white lies, very manipulative. Energy, very manipulative. Very sneaky. Alam niya na hindi niya kayang magbigay, mag-invest ng buo sa connection na to. At may konsensya naman pala. Konsensya siya. Nagkakaroon siya ng sleepless nights. Kasi kumbaga, nagkabuhol-buhol na yung mga pangako. Paano niya i-deliver tong pangako na to sa isa? Meron siyang pinangako sa isa. Paano niya matutupad yung gusto niyang relationship dun sa isa? May sabit pa siya dun sa kabila na hindi pa naman totally over. Something like that. Or it could be like, paano aayusin tong relationship na to? Third party is not always another person or kabet. It could also be like a promise sa trabaho na pwedeng tong masculine na to is mas attached sa trabaho. And, you know, hindi niya mabitiwan yung trabaho na to. Paano nga ba maayos yung isang connection? I don't know, it could be distance, it could be like time, whatever it is. Okay? Meron siyang isang pangako at commitment na hindi pa tapos. Ngayon, nangangako siya dito sa isa pang commitment na alam niyang hindi niya mapapanindigan. Okay? Because tali pa siya sa isang commitment in the past. Alright? To balance the energy of this connection, Madagascar Rose Quartz. Okay? Manifesting abundance and happiness, the Brazilian citrine. Okay? To protect your energy, anti-bad juju, anti-evil eye, the Madagascar black tourmaline. Okay? So, mapuputol na naman, magpa-part 2 tayo. Merong fear and doubt energy here if meron pa bang nai-involve na ibang tao sa connection na to. Totoo na ba ang mga pangako o meron pa bang nai-involve? Someone wants a wish fulfillment here at tanggalin na lahat ng mga backstabbing energy dito na mawala na, no? Someone is trying to manifest na matapos na lahat ng betrayal sa energy na to, if ever man na magre-rebuild ang Libra and the person na gusto niyang kasama. Part